Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar, and here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Friday the 13th of July. Here we go. We are now a week away from the 9 days, and here are some more laws for the 9 days. As we explained to you yesterday, we don't eat any meat or drink any wine during the 9 days, but you could have meat if you make a siyum. And that means that you finish a tractate of Gemara, or you finish an order of Mishnah, or you finish one of the books of Chumash with, like let's say all the Rashis or something like that. And when you make that siyum, you're allowed to have meat, and you can have anyone come by and join it, and they're allowed to eat meat at that siyum also. What you're not allowed to do is to drag out, like let's say you actually finished that Gemara 6 months ago, and you left the last line hanging, and you said, well, fine, I'll just read the last line during the 9 days, and I'll make a siyum on that last line during the 9 days. That's kind of like not nice. The siyum didn't really end up during the 9 days. You just smunched it there. Sorry for that word. You just pushed it into the 9 days, and that's not really appropriate. Similarly, in reverse, if let's say you have a whole lot left to finish that Masechta of Gemara, and you just jam and jam and jam and learn a lot of that Masechta in the last 4 days before the 9 days, just so you could gaspingly finish it during the 9 days, you also just forced the issue and made a siyum happen in the 9 days, which really shouldn't have applied there. You get where I'm going. You're only supposed to make a siyum on something that kind of naturally ends up around the 9 days, and you decided to celebrate it then during the 9 days, then you can have that meat meal and everything. Otherwise, to falsely orchestrate that it ends up during the 9 days is not in the spirit of what we should be doing during these very somber days. Thanks for logging on, and log on again after Shabbos for more. Remember, this Shabbos, even though you're in the 3 weeks, all the festivities of Shabbos are not curtailed, because on Shabbos we don't show any signs of mourning. Thanks for logging on. Log on after Shabbos again for more. Bye-bye.